Hey everyone! Today I'll show you step by step how to use OpenArt to generate your very own AI character.
Okay, let's go.
OpenArt is a powerful image generation tool that transforms simple text prompts into stunning visuals. Whether you're creating promo covers, concept art, or mood boards, this platform gives you full creative control. But for now, let's focus on character creation. Go to openart.ai and create a free account. You can use my link in the description to help me create more if you decide to upgrade to a paid plan. First, you'll need an image. If you don't already have one, head to the image section and click Create Image. You can customize your settings. For example, choose photorealistic if you want a realistic style, or pick something more artistic depending on your vibe. Next, select your model. Yeah, there are a lot of options. Personally, I recommend trying Nano Banana Google. It gives great results, but feel free to explore other models to match your style. Now comes the most important part, the prompt. That's where the magic happens. You need a clear and detailed description of what you want. If you're not sure how to write one, you can always use ChatGPT to help refine your idea, or simply write your own and use the Auto Enhance feature inside OpenArt. It'll rewrite and upgrade your prompt automatically for a more detailed result. If you already have a photo reference, you can upload it to guide the generation. If not, that's totally fine. Don't forget your output settings. Choose your desired image size. For example, we'll use 16:9 widescreen in 4K for this demo. Then select how many generations you want. For beginners, I recommend starting with just one. That way, you can test the result before refining your prompt or switching models. And that's it. Simple, creative, and super fun. Now that we've got our image, let's move on to the character section. In the free version of OpenArt, you can create one character, which is more than enough to start. If you want the best results, you can select up to 4 images. But for now, let's keep it simple and start with one. Give your character a name and upload the image you just created. Tip: you can also go to history to quickly find all your generated images and pick one from there. It's much faster. Once you've done that, click on Create Character. You now have your very own AI character ready to use in new images or even videos. Here's how it works. When creating a new image, simply type followed by your character's name in the prompt. OpenArt will use that character as the base to generate consistent images or videos featuring them. If you upgrade to a paid plan, you'll unlock the ability to create multiple characters and even make them interact with each other, which opens the door to storytelling, comics, scenes, and much more. Here's a little example of me and my ex-girlfriend. Yeah, maybe not the best example to show. Anyway, thank you so much for watching, guys. If you enjoyed this tutorial, go check out my music. I'm getting better at video creation, and my music videos are starting to look really good. Thanks for all the support, and I'll see you soon for more AI content and music. Bye-bye.